Hello everyone, how are you doing today? I'm going to show you guys today how to replace, upgrade or downgrade even your hard drive for your ASUS gaming laptop. The exact model is a GL502 VM. I already made a video how to disassemble and assemble, repaste or upgrade your RAM. But in this video I'm going to show you specifically only the hard drive. So what you want to do first, you want to remove the screws at the bottom row on the bottom of the laptop in front. These are a little bit shorter, and the mid ones and the back ones are a little bit larger. And these are the screws for it. So you can see the larger ones, they're from the mid towards the back side, and the one that is a little bit shorter, they're the front side. So you're going to remove all the screws at the bottom. You want to open it in 45-degree angle, and you want to grab yourself a guitar pick, and you want to stick it between the top and bottom cover, and you want to wiggle it around to the front and the side. Sometimes just the front is enough and it will come out very easy. Alright, the hard drive, we have two hard drives in here, the mechanical hard drive and the NVMe hard drive right over here. There's only one screw holding it. Once you unscrew it, it will come in 45-degree angle, and you can just slide it out and put the new one in. This is an NVMe hard drive SSD. They're much faster than the regular SSD hard drives. And on this side you have your second storage for your mechanical hard drive. If you want to replace this one with a solid state or any other hard drive, it's really easy. Just unscrew the 4 screw that holds the caddy. There we go. The screws are all the same size. And you want to slide down towards the front end of the laptop, the caddy. And once you have the pins disconnected, alright, this one comes with a 1 terabyte hard drive, and in particularly I'm not going to swipe it over, I'm just going to show you how to. But if you want to, you have to remove the 4 screw that holds the hard drive to the caddy. So there are 2 on this side and 2 on the other side. Once you remove the screw, you want to remove the hard drive, grab your new hard drive, put it in, or even the solid state drive, they're the same thing. You put it in there, you're going to screw them back in. It's going to hold it from these 2 sides. Once you have that in, you're going to do the same thing. Put it down with an offset towards the front end of the laptop. You want to be a little bit offset, so you have the pins right facing in this way. And you want to slide it down towards the motherboard, right there. And when the holes are matching for the caddy, for the screws, and then you're all set. And then you're going to put the 4 screws for those. And there we go. And pretty much that's how you change your hard drive or upgrade your mechanical hard drive. And I already told you guys regarding the NVMe. If you guys have any question, please ask them in the comments and I'll be happy to answer them. Thanks for watching, guys. And the bottom cover just goes on, and then you put the screws.